abakora abo mu rukiko rubateka ha New Fort View Hotel mu Fort Portal baba bagenderire kwecuminteriza ha miringo y'ibakubasa kukoramo bwanyuma yo kutunga ebizibu bari kubona mu mashomero gabo.
If government finds us organized, we can talk as one voice. So we are traversing the whole country to know the policies that are coming up. Remember, there are policies that are coming up, and most of these private schools are not aware. And so we are trying to sensitize these private schools. We are trying to get a team to work with, and some of the policies that are squeezing us.
In as far as school fires are concerned, fires take life, fires take property, and we have lost a lot. We are penetrated as a sector by intruders. Fires we have seen are both internal and they are also external. How do we get rid of external, intentional fires within our schools? Of envy, of unhealthy competition, of land issues and all that.
Bimwe habizibu rwiguge bitwire nibateza umutwe nemerere itari yemwe nemwe kubarakaho kose y'amashomero gabo kandi kahendere ceceriza amagaraga beji otireho n'ibintu byabo hasadukira bero rukora nka mukuru w'ekibina cyabe cya The National Private Educational Institutions Association Uganda nagira ngo cyena kwemerero mingi nebetandikirwe abantu bakigenderire omukwezi kwa 11 mwaka guhire report yashohozibwe kitongore cya polisi aha mashomero 20 kwasoromora hagati y'ebiro 5 by'okwezi ko kubanza 2022 okusiyebera 27 by'okwezi kwa mukago mwaka nugwe gumwe amashomero 17 gakocho bw'abantu ababire bakigenderire
tugezako okusomesa abannanyini masomero ku bukulembeze n'enzirukanya y'amasomero naddala ogw'obwannanyini ate n'ebisomooza amasomero g'obwannanyini nangeri ki gye basobola okubitebuka okusobola okubeera nti amasomero gaffe gasobola okubeerawo ng'ate gakola ebyo byennyini ebigasuubirwamu.
Abantu bagira ngo ebirkwetengisa kutwara enkorejo mission of gw'omwino gw'enjojo otwireho no kwetenga abashomesa abakugu omu kutwara karicura mu ejo misho.
Tulowooza nti ekisooka walina okubeerawo enkwatagana ya ministry y'ebyenjigiriza n'amasomero okulaba nti continuous professional development okusomesa abasomesa bangi bali mu masomero nga ne curriculum tibagitegeera ate nga bali mu kusomesa.
Echena ko abantu bagira ngo hakiroho n'amashomero agace mu gakozesa curriculum enkuru ahabwo kugira ngo tugine byo kukozesa mu kushomesa curriculum ensya.
Curriculum empya yetaaga ebizimbe ebipya, curriculum empya yetaaga abasomesa abakugu abagitegeera obulungi abategeera skills, curriculum empya yetaaga abasomesa okuddizibwayo okusomesebwa. Kakati bibyo byonna byetaaga ensimbi nnyingi, yetaaga obudde bungi okugula ebikozesebwa mu curriculum empya. Bwoba onooyokya byuma, bwoba onookola nviiri, bwoba onookola food and nutrition, ebyo byonna byetaaga ensimbi.
Gasha kwa Agacencwire.